So it's time for the fun part of getting it started. I do have to put the new fuel in it. I got a couple of gallons. So I'm going to put that in a moment and crank her up and see if I can get some life into this B20 engine. The good news is that the fuel tank is holding clean, fresh gas. I pumped out about a gallon of really old, 3-year-old gas. There was no leaks. The gas looked really fresh, so I decided to just put the filter behind it. We got the jump pack set up, battery hooked up, car should have power. No joy, but one positive is the oil pressure light did go out. The other thing I'm going to want to do is put a little starting fluid in the carbs. Well, that started a bit. It also looks like it's puking. All right, I'm gonna give that one more try. Okay, I think I'm gonna pause for the moment. The engine fired a little bit with starter fluid, which means that we have strong spark, it's getting good air. Everything seems to work. Now there's just an issue of fuel delivery. The float bowls in the Strombergs were leaking a bit, so I replaced both of the O-rings and they've been drained, and so that's actually good. I think maybe part of the reason why it didn't kick over is that the fuel in the bowls was old. So I think maybe if I can fill up the bowls with fresh fuel, I can get a good fire and get the engine started. That's enough, I think. Woohoo! Not the healthiest of engines, but it is running. Let's see if anything leaked anywhere. There's that leak there. Didn't look like it got worse, so just a seep. I can live with that for the moment. I don't smell gas, which is good. The exhaust was pretty clear. Ooh. Smoking a bit. That's not too bad though. Just burning off stuff. All right.